Dito kasi dito sa atin.
Ayan.
Wala ka pa
Okay, rolling.
Okay, Ron.
Okay, kindly share us your newest project.
Ayun, finally, magkakatrabaho na kami ni Inigo kasi matagal na nga kami pinag-prepare on. Ayun, tapos we're really happy kasi sa big screen pa, matitest yung tambalan namin. And also, this is gonna be my first film, so really excited ako.
Ikaw, Inigo.
I'm excited kasi po yun nga po, she said that pinag-prepare kami matagal na rin po. This is my second film, and excited po ako. Tapos naread ko yung story. It's a nice story, so I'm very excited to do the film po.
Meron na kayong love team na name? Kasi since pinag-prepare na kayo ever since.
Meron siya minention sa akin na ginagawa ng
Nakita ko sa Twitter, Jul Nigo.
Maganda siya. Maganda siyang pakinggan.
Maganda, match.
So even before you've had a chance na to bond,
Yeah, I guess so. Kasi I had my contract signing and so did his dad. So, dun ko siya unang na-meet and we were able to talk. Parang nagkasundo kami kaagad doon. Kaya nung bumalik siya, tapos finally we're talking about the projects that we're doing together. Ayun, mas magkasundo nga kami.
Yeah.
what's your first impression of
First impression
Julia?
of Julia. Actually, at first, parang, I was intimidated. Not intimidated, but parang, I didn't know how to talk to her. Pero once you talk to her, she's super simple, very light and fun and chill to talk to.
And then how about you with Inigo?
Ako magaan yung loob ko kay Inigo kasi parang, yun nga, approachable siya and ang dami namin na pag-uusapan, I don't know why. Parang never ending.
And Inigo, for your first project, very charming and very beautiful ang leading lady mo. So how does it feel? Makaka-concentrate ka kaya?
Pressure po. Ano naman po, masaya po. Excited to be able to work with her since, I said earlier, she's one of the prettiest faces in show business po. And she's very kind and very friendly po.